Hello friends, if you have planted plants in small pots ranging in size from 4-5 inches up to 8 inches, then you must watch this entire video without skipping any parts. In this video, we will learn how to save plants growing in these small pots from dying during the summer season. As we can all clearly see, the heat right now is extremely intense. When we water the small pots in morning, the soil dried out even before evening set in. Let alone the evening, the moisture in the soil is completely depleted by as early as noon. In such a situation, we end up having to water again in the afternoon, which is not at all ideal. We should either water after sunset or do so early in the morning. Watering plants in the afternoon causes them harm yet. Refraining from watering at that time presents a problem as well, since the soil has already dried out, leaving no choice but to water. So what exactly should we do for plants growing in small pots to ensure that the soil retains moisture throughout the day without having to shift them into larger pots? That is precisely what we are going to find out in this video. First, we need to select a pot made of either clay or cement that is 4 inches larger than the pot is which the plants are currently growing. We must strictly avoid using a plastic pot, otherwise this method will not work, as plastic pots tend to generate excessive heat. Place river sand into a clay or cement pot. Then set the small potted plant, pot and all, on top of it. Finally, fill in the sand around the edges as well. Instead of sand, you may also use loose soil, whichever you choose to use, whether sand or loose soil. There is no need to mix anything into it. After watering, place it in a location that receives full sunlight. When growing plants in small pots in this manner, the soil retains moisture throughout the day. Once the summer ends and the rainy season begins, you can remove the plant along with its small pot from the larger pot. This method is highly effective and tried and tested. It ensures that plants thrive, growing very well and exhibiting healthy growth even during the summer season. You simply need to pour water into the sand while watering, just as I have demonstrated in this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.